This video will walk you through the process of installing the new 3CX softphone app. I'll show you each step, and you can pause the video at any time to follow along and complete each action. Let's get started. Go ahead and open a Chrome browser and log in to your 3CX web client using the Microsoft sign-in option. Next, select Apps on the lower left panel. Select Web App. Select Install. Install one more time. Go ahead and select Yes to pin the 3CX app to your taskbar. Next, select the three dots on the left. Select Settings. Select Audio and Video. Select Allow. Next, you're going to select the blue bell on the top left. Select Allow. And OK. And this concludes our video. If you need additional help, please feel free to email us at help@cloudience.com or visit our website, cloudience.com/help.